The Clark CL500M metal lathe with mill drill is a professionally engineered lathe which can be used for turning, milling and drilling. Its solid construction with a cast iron bed and a multitude of features make it outstanding value for money. The Clark CL500M specifications include forward and reverse operation, a 3-jaw chuck, MT3 and MT4 centers, gear sets for screw cutting, a compound slide with 4-way tool post, 6 spindle speeds from 170 to 1630 RPM, and a 3-inch machine vise. The distance between centers is an impressive 430 millimeters, with a 305 millimeter swing over the bed. The swing across the slide allows up to 172 millimeter diameter work to be tooled, while the spindle bore is 26 millimeters for working with larger bar stock. The tail stock taper is 3MT, allowing for a wide range of tail accessories to be fitted, including a live center, fixed center, and more. The CL500M's powerful 3/4 horsepower 230 volt motor will automatically screw cut with 14 metric screw cutting pitches of 0.5 to 3 millimeters and 20 imperial screw cutting pitches of 11 to 40 TPI. The lathe's safety features include a no-volt release switch, prominent hit-stop button, and chuck guards on both the lathe and mill. The mill specifications are equally impressive and include a quick-action clutch for independent lathe or mill operation, 360-degree rotation of the mill head, a capstan to raise and lower the head, fine feed adjustment, a 13 millimeter drill chuck, a spindle stroke of 92 millimeters, a spindle taper of 3MT with drawbar, 12 adjustable speeds from 130 to 1660 RPM, and a 200 by 150 millimeter table with 12 millimeter T-slots. The excellent value CL500M will allow you to carry out consistent turning and milling to an accuracy of 1/25 thousandths of a millimeter. There are many optional Clark extras available to upgrade your machine to suit your individual needs. These include a machine block, fixed and moving steadies, turning sets, cutting sets, revolving tailstock center, 7-piece milling chuck, 13 millimeter tailstock chuck and arbor, mill cutter, 4-jaw independent chuck, a faceplate, and an optional floor stand with suds tray, as shown here. The professional CL500M mill drill lathe will give you many years of accurate turning and milling.